I'm cruising down US1 overseas highway on the bike path, mile marker 24, and I'm going to show you a couple good fishing spots today. Number one is the Kemp Channel fishing bridge, and we just passed mile 24, so you're going to see the turn in coming up. As you can see, I'm riding on the wrong side of the road, but that's where my bike path is. So mile 24, you turn in, and then you're likely to see a horde of iguanas, but somebody probably scared them off. You park here at Kemp Channel parking lot, and then you walk over to the bridge. This is one of two spots I'm going to point out today. I've seen them do pretty good here. I actually named this spot and put it on Facebook. Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. Howdy. Very smiley. We got a slack tide going on right now. Pretty slack. Little bit flowing from the Gulf to the Atlantic. I'd be waiting for it to turn, because that's when the fishing's good, when it's flowing from the Atlantic to the Gulf. Okay, well, that's our first fishing spot. We're gonna go on down to the second fishing spot. There's no parking on this side. Well, not much. People do park right here, but why would you park there when you got a parking lot?